Hello people, what's up? My name is Snehal and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So, it's just my imagination, what I thought will look good. I just started doing it and I am absolutely in love with the way this has turned out. So, if you want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. So I'm starting with priming my face. For foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation, taking 2 pumps of it and dabbing it all over my face. I'm also taking it on my neck area. For concealer, it's LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural Beige. Applying on the usual areas, under my eye, over my mouth area and nose and forehead. Just the usual procedure. For blending, first I'll be blending it with my finger because I feel finger is the best blending tool. And then with brush for the finished effect. To set my face, I'm taking Fit Me Maybelline's Loose Compact Powder and I'm in the shade 25 Medium. Applying it on the areas where I have concealed generously and then just sprinkling it all over my face. For eyes, first I'm starting with eyebrows. Then I have this pencil which has attached comb on its top and combing my eyebrow hair downwards and then applying my pencil and filling the gaps and giving shape basically. Taking this James Charles palette and applying this dark, orangish brown shade all over my lid. Taking this yellow shade and blending everything all out. Taking the golden shade from this palette, which is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and applying that shade in the center of my eye and applying this golden shade on my brow bone and blending it. Also taking that golden shade in my tear duct. For liner, I am taking L'Oreal Paris Black Liqueur Liner. You can take any of your choice. And I am attempting for a very thin line, which is very difficult for me because I am always a wing thick eyeliner person, but staying really close to my lash line. So let's start with the leopard print eye and I'll start making this brackets, small brackets all over my eyelid. At the outer corner, I will make a bigger size brackets and as passing lower down to the eyelid, I will make small one. Basically, I will just copy the print which is on my t-shirt right now. Taking the same brown shade on my lower lash line, cleaning the messy part. Next, by taking kajal, I am applying it on my lower lash line, and also I am tight lining my upper lash line so that it will give a perfectly defined look. So now it's time for lashes. I applied the lash glue and I'm trying to stick it on.
A few moments later.
Now I'm bronzing the usual areas. Today I'm going heavy-handed on bronzing because of the look. It will give nice depth and bronzy look which will really complement the eye. For highlighting, I'm going on high points of my face, which is bridge of the nose, my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and a little bit of forehead. For mascara, I am taking Maybelline's the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. And applying it on my lashes and fake lashes, basically mixing them both. For lipstick, I'm going today with little bit nude, and for that I'm taking this Sugar Cosmetics It's About Time Vivid Lipstick in the shade 08 Brown Town Abbey, and I absolutely love this shade. It's a perfect nude for my skin tone. Taking this dark brown shade and applying it in the center of my lipstick to give an ombre effect, and it also helped giving me a depth to my look. So guys, this was my today's look. I will see you in my next video, and if you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, there is a red button right down. Please click it, and there's a notification bell besides it. Please click that also, so you will be notified every time I am on YouTube. Plus, I post video every Tuesday and Friday so that you won't miss me. You know the drill by now. If you like the video, please like it, and if you want to shower your love, please note in the comment below. I read each and every comment, and thank you for supporting, guys. I hope you all like this look. This was very interesting, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.